Hello there, caking friend. I'm Yvette Farrugia from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette, and welcome to my Ultimate Buttercream Guide. If you're wanting to create stunning, professional quality buttercream cakes, or pipe that perfect vintage cake design, or even create gorgeous floral cupcakes, you're in the right place. Save your time and money and stop spending hours searching the internet looking for the perfect recipe. It's right here waiting for you. We will walk you through step by step how to create our buttercream, sharing with you our years of experience as a professional cake artist. You can now relax and save time, money, and stress. We will make your life so much easier so that you too can produce perfectly smooth buttercream every time for your cake creations. We've also included bonuses for easy tips on colouring your buttercream and given you the ingredient measurements for common-sized mixing bowls. With our years of experience and our tips and tricks that we know work all in one place, then you, my friend, are in exactly the right place. So let's get started and make some buttercream frosting magic together. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.